Hi everyone. So today I've got two of the very exciting packages over here. I'm really very excited at the moment because these are kind of most awaited parcels that I was ever expecting. So I'm very excited and can you guess what it is? Okay, let's see inside. So I think I should tell you this one is the latest iPhone 14 Pro Max. So yeah, I'm going to unbox this one right now and I'm very excited. Okay. So I've started becoming an Apple user since I think 2020. So yeah, since then I'm an Apple user. So here we have the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So this is the box. Okay, let's open that one. So I'm just going to open this seal over here. This is the latest one, so I'm so excited to check the features and to see. So I basically ordered the latest purple one. So because I love this color. Because I think black and white it was in the previous version. The purple one is the latest one, so it's just in the iPhone 14. So you can see this is the phone here. So it's amazing. The color is fantastic. I love this color. So purple is my favorite color. So I love this series of iPhone and I love this one, the purple one. It's so amazing. I'm just going to peel off the seal over here. Yay! This one is the iPhone 14 Pro Max, guys. And thank you, my dear husband. I always wanted this and you have gifted me, so I love it. So thank you so much. Alright, so I think I have to install a lot of things here. So I have to set up everything. So yeah, this is the unboxing video of the iPhone. So it's amazing. I do have one more package. So this is this one. Yeah, so this one is the little Google Pixel AirPods, Pixel Buds Pro. Alright, so this looks pretty. Let's see. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's very pretty. So yeah, it's very cute. So this one is the Pixel AirPod. So yeah, this one was the unboxing video and I'm really happy to get these two surprise gifts. And thank you so much once again to my husband. And yeah, see you guys in my next video. Yeah, bye.